My name is Jasmine Rowley, and I am the Director of Marketing and Communications for Village Media. Village Media is a network of hyperlocal news and information websites across Ontario, and we have strategic partners across the country and in the US and the UK. And all of our websites run off of our custom CMS platform that we have made in-house. We have a community engine, which is one of the fastest, most responsive, and stable platforms in our industry. It is something that we are constantly working on and customizing to our own needs as local news providers. If one of our partners or one of our local markets wants to try something new on our CMS, we literally build it for them. And we have a quick turnaround, and we're always trying to stay on top of things that are happening in the industry, and not only on top, but ahead. One of the things that sticks out for me, because I've been a part of the program from the beginning, is our Random Acts of Kindness program. So Sault Ste has a program where we go out and we try to brighten the day of people who are really making an impact in our community by surprising them with meaningful gifts. That's something that I love that program, and I feel the response of the program in the community when I'm out talking to community members who say, that positivity has inspired them to pay it forward and be kinder. And I think that's just such a great example of one of the things that we do here that really impacts our communities. So I think for us, we will just continue to grow globally in who we're partnering with so that they can come onto our platform. And we really want to help local news stay alive. We want to be a conduit to creating healthy news environments in places otherwise that are losing their legacy media or just seeing a news void. So our platform allows people to be able to keep providing local news, which I think is so important. Village Media prides itself on being an innovative company. It really is, at our core, we were born digital. So to be nominated for something that is such a meaningful part of our fiber is really special.